We must stand together in this endeavor. Our future depends not on division, but on our shared commitment to progress.
Yes, this is an AI generated video. A little effort from our side to bring alive the legacy of Sri Kamal Nayan Bajaj, the real entrepreneur of Bajaj Group, on his 111th birth anniversary. On 23rd of January 1915, elder son of Jamnalal Bajaj and Janki Devi Bajaj was born, named Kamal Nayan. Guided by the values of his father Jamnalal Bajaj, his mentor Mahatma Gandhi, and his guru Acharya Vinoba Bhave, young Kamal Nayan entered public life with his values already defined. Kamal Nayan took part in Dandi March at the young age of 15 years. He followed the path of Mahatma Gandhi's Swadeshi and Khadi movement, leading the vision of self-reliant India.
But how can we be sure of the true meaning in this modern age?
At a time when economic strength was essential to the freedom movement, business became a duty, not a pursuit. He built industries that reduced dependence on imports. As seen in these pictures, he often visited Gola sugar mill in Uttar Pradesh, along with his family and younger son Shishir, who later took charge of Bajaj Hindustan Sugar Limited. Set by his father to curb sugar imports, Kamal Nayan can be seen in this picture visiting foreign farmlands to understand the best techniques of growing good quality sugarcane. He brought purposeful global collaborations to India when the country was still economically fragile. In this picture, Kamal Nayan ji, along with his wife Savitri Devi, can be seen with the then worldwide chairman of electronics giant Philips that collaborated with Bajaj's electrical business. He also collaborated with Piaggio, Italian scooters brand Vespa, to build Bajaj's automobile business. Unquestionably, he was the real entrepreneur of the Bajaj Group. Beyond business, he was a member of parliament from Wardha constituency of Maharashtra for 15 years and worked on the social and economic development of the rural community. During his years in public service, he worked steadily to strengthen social education, healthcare, relief, and culture. He assisted the great leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the negotiations during the integration of Deccan states in India and was appreciated by Advocate V.P. Menon in his book. The spirit of service found its true home at Bajajwadi in Wardha, Maharashtra. The Bajaj hospitality was so warm and welcoming that political leaders often visited here to meet Gandhiji at Wardha's Sevagram ashram, seeing which Gandhiji had termed Bajajwadi as the national guest house. Dr. Subhash Chandra Bose along with Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also visited Wardha, Maharashtra during the freedom movement. In this picture, they can be seen at the Wardha railway station. In this picture, from left to right are Kamal Nayan ji Bajaj, the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jamnalal ji Bajaj, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They are seen sitting on a bench at Bajajwadi, Wardha. Seen in this picture is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru along with Kamal Nayan ji and his younger brother Ram Krishna Bajaj at Wardha's Bajajwadi. He had visited Wardha to inaugurate the Gandhi Gyan Mandir and spent quality time with the Bajaj family. Former Prime Minister Morarji Desai can be seen in this picture, heading for inauguration of one of the Bajaj electrical plants. Lal Bahadur Shastri had also visited Wardha to inaugurate the industries. Women leaders like Sarojini Naidu were also part of Kamal Nayan ji's developmental initiatives in Wardha. Sarojini ji is seen here in this picture having a serious conversation with Kamal Nayan ji. Here in this picture, Kamal Nayan ji can be seen with Mahatma Gandhi himself walking with other dignitaries at the Bajaj Wadi. Talking about Bajaj Wadi's hospitality, Nepal King with his wife can also be seen in this picture sitting on the floor and having a meal along with Kamal Nayan ji at Bajaj Wadi in Wardha. In this picture, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan can be seen along with Kamal Nayan ji, his mother Janki Devi ji and sister Madalsa. While here in this picture, former President and Professor Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is seen along with Kamal Nayan ji, Janki Devi ji and others at Wardha's Bajaj Wadi. He was indeed a close associate of Kamal Nayan ji. Kamal Nayan lived simply, spoke clearly, protected institutions. What he built was meant to last. In this picture, he can be seen with Mohanlal Sukhadia ji, who was a Chief Minister of Rajasthan for 17 years. While in this picture, Kamal Nayan ji is seen returning from a foreign trip with media mogul Shyantra Prasad Jain and his wife Rama Jain. By the 1970s, Kamal Nayan ji had great friendships amongst the Indian business leaders who marked their graceful presence at Kamal Nayan ji's younger son Shishir Bajaj's marriage celebrations. He consistently worked across three pillars: industry and enterprise, public service and governance, and social institutions like education and rural development. Kamal Nayan married Savitri Devi at the young age of 19 and she supported him throughout in all his endeavours. His two sons and a daughter always shared his values and vision, and later his sons Rahul and Shishir Bajaj went on to expand his business. Today, his younger son Shishir Bajaj, along with his sons Kushagra Bajaj and Apurva Bajaj, continue to carry forward Kamal Nayan ji's legacy of not just business but also socio-economical development of the country, India.